Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we'll explain how to connect the AudioWow to your phone. First, download and install AudioWow app from the App Store of your phone. Hold the power key for 3 seconds until the indicator light flashes quickly. On your mobile phone, search for AudioWow in the Bluetooth list and connect. In the AudioWow app, the top display will show that the device is connected and ready for use. When connecting for the first time, the default audio settings are displayed here in the tuning interface. You can manually adjust it afterwards. After connecting via Bluetooth, AudioWow can be used as a Bluetooth headset to listen to music and make calls without opening the app. Now you know how to connect AudioWow to your phone. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support@sabinetech.com. Thanks for watching.